What is brain?
Brain functions are lost. Innervation of the neurons.
What do you mean by brain? Well, if you are not a medical student, you are talking as a layman, what is brain? दिमाग. तो दिमाग हम किसको कहते हैं? कॉमन लैंग्वेज में ये सामने दिमाग नजर आ रहा है. दिस इज ब्रेन. सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स, सेरिब्रम. आम जुबान में सेरिब्रम को ब्रेन कहेंगे. तो ब्रेन डेथ इज नॉट इन डेथ ऑफ सेरिब्रम. लेकिन when we technically talk about brain death, तो हमने क्या डिस्कस किया विशाल? So brain death is a vague term. क्यों vague है? Because when we say brain death, everyone will understand कि ये brain का मतलब है दिमाग, cerebrum. Whereas this is not the death of cortical centers. It's the death of the brain stem. Vital centers in the brain stem is the brain death. So it's a vague term. And it is not the death of the cerebral cortex. It is not the death of the cortical center in the cerebrum. It is the death of the brain stem. The vital centers for the maintenance of respiration and circulation and blood pressure, they are located in pons and medulla, the brain stem. So it is the death of the vital centers in the brain stem which is called as brain death. So it is not the death of the cortical centers in the cerebrum. That's why it is called as brain death. Death of the vital centers in the brain is the brain stem death. Then the artificial mechanism, ventilator, they came out and they continued the respiration with the help of the machine. And despite all the brain functions, when there is irreversible loss of the brain stem centers, you can die. So brain stem death is irreversible and it cannot be reversed. So once the brain stem death has been established, no matter how healthy the individual is, what matter the components, parts are alive, but brain death has been established. So we should certify brain death when without cardiopulmonary support, the vital centers have ceased function. So if the breathing, circulation, blood pressure is maintained spontaneously, person cannot be declared. Only the cessation of the breathing, circulation, when it is unsupported, then you can declare.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokhar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.